Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. You know what today is? It's Foodie Friday with Jessica Rose and Small Town 6 as our host. Please check out the playlist in my description box, and I hope you enjoy my camping recipe of hobo dinner. Okay, this is hobo pack number 2. We're going to start out by adding some hamburgers. And we're going to add some onions. I'm going to probably use this in my salad, but you could also use this as in a sandwich or a wrap. Okay, I'm going to add, here is our hobo dinner we made. I'm going to just chop this up and probably put it in a salad. You could also put it in a wrap. You could even use this as a sandwich or eat it just the way it is. Okay, we're starting out with a piece of tin foil, and I bent it down on each side. And we're going to start with some baby carrots. You can add any vegetables that you like. I'm going to start with a handful of baby carrots. And then I'm going to add, this is 1 stalk of celery. Half an onion to give it flavor. This is a bag of frozen vegetables. I'm not going to add the whole thing. I'm going to just add some because this is just for me. Okay, now I'm going to add, it's almost my go-to seasoning, which is, it's called the go-to blend. Yep, that's basically what it's been. It's salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm going to add some of that on there. And then I'm going to add some of our Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, which is one of my favorites. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of butter because we just want to build on the flavor of this. You could add a nicely seasoned chicken breast to this. You could add kielbasa sausage. You could add a little bit of steak or stewing meat. You can basically make these whatever you want. This is a hobo dinner, they call these. And you make them to what you like. On this one, I'm going to add some ham because I have a bunch of packages of these ham.
I thought, I'll just get out some ham, flavor mine with a little ham. And this, then you take it and you wrap it up. Really good. Make sure your ends are in. Tuck the ends in, fold this over. Fold this way. Then we'll put this in the air fryer. Here's the look of our first meal. After doing it, I wish I would have cut the carrots up because they're a little al dente compared to the rest. But the rest is getting really cooked. So I wish I would have cut those up a little more. But it really smells good and it tastes really good too. So this is the first Hobo meal I made. Great for camping and those summer cookouts.